படிக்கிறீங்களா? Okay, 2%, 3%. So I request Mr. Ajay Jose to give his MF bites.
3 people feel market will go down. And how many feel it will go up? Next week. Others and all, okay, it will remain where it is. Huh? I'm audible? Okay. So, let me start. In fact, I think because of the markets going down, there was no news on the MF industry. I was searching what to present, nothing was available. So I've actually worked up a 6-month report card. Okay, something good news for us is we added 10 lakh new investors in September. So total unique investors is now crossed. Unique investors, how much? Written, you won't read also. 5 crores. Good number, huh? 5 crore. Shared by all of us, not you alone. Yeah. So ICICI Securities to exit sub-broking and MF distribution. Good or bad? Good, huh? Why somebody exiting? Okay. So how many of you are investing in small cap now? Paddu is not there. Venkatesh? Oh, small cap, good. So small cap universe has given 60 multi-baggers. What is a multi-bagger? Multi-bagger is? 10 times. Okay, 5 times. So 5 times 60 companies. In mid caps it is 27 and large cap 6 companies have gone 5 times in 5 years. It's gone too much, but still we have some. So this is just a write-up on the small cap funds. So if you see the top, cash allocation is almost 17%, and quant fund has 20% large cap and 13% cash. That's their allocation, but just for the, okay. So now basically I have just taken some details of what has happened in our 6-month ending September. So 1 year where we were. So our AUM has grown by 44%. Equity oriented AUM has gone up by 55%. Debt funds nobody is selling. Fixed income has also gone up. Okay. New fund offers this year we have done 1,10,000 crores. Last year, 1 year back, we had done 70,000 crores. So that is up by 57%. So a lot of people are selling NFOs. And yeah, direct AUM gone up or gone down? Direct AUM as a percentage, same percentage. So we are doing, it will come down. Good. Next meeting you will come, no? Really, yeah. Okay. And passive AUM as a percentage, again same 17%. Sensex has gone up by 28%. GSEC was 7.21, now 6.75. SIP AUM, of course, yeah, so unique investor I told 5 crores. So last year we were at 4 crores. So we have added 97 lakh new investors. I think you can clap for that. That's a SIP AUM has gone up. Monthly SIP, of course, everybody knows. So last year we were at 16,000. We have been adding almost 1,000 crore every 2 months. And we are at 24,500 now. And yeah, discontinued SIPs are down as a percentage. No, it's up. It's up 95%. Discontinued SIP account, wow, 95% up. So you are all closing the direct accounts, huh? Direct SIPs and all you are closing. Okay, good. That's how we can take it. Okay. SIP AUM has grown up. The AUM of the SIP investments total, 32% has gone up to 37. MF AUM to bank deposit has gone up from 24 to 31%. That's again good. AUM growth was 5-year growth last year was 16%. That is the previous 5 years ka. Currently, last 5 years ka growth is 22%. So this year we have added quite a lot. Bank deposits have also grown. So it's not reduced. From 10% 5 years CAGR, they are now to 11% CAGR. So MF AUM to bank deposit, something definitely to cheer about. 10 years back, we were 10.7% or 1/10 of bank deposits. Now we are almost 1/3. Good job. SIP size are reducing. From December 18, we were 3,159. Now we have come down. So that is why I think a lot of SIP application-based incentives or something. I don't know. More retail. We are going more retail or? So equity gross sales has been rising since forever, I think. Huh? Diversifying, okay. So this is something very interesting I found. The red color portion, it shows red or orange there, yeah, is the equity. So in 2013, the equity as a percentage was very little. Debt was higher. But now it is 63% of the total assets is in equity. So everybody is selling only equity. So share of equity in total AUM in 2013, 10 years back was 22%, and now it has gone up to 62%. Don't like debt funds. Nobody likes. Equity net sales has been positive now for a consecutive 43 months. Every month we are adding net new equity mutual funds, equity oriented funds. But equity net sales, if you remove the SIPs and NFOs, then we have been in negative zone many times. Even last month was minus. So we are actually positive mainly because of the SIPs and of course the NFOs. 1,06,000 crores last year collected in NFOs, of which 96% was equity oriented schemes. Sectoral thematic funds, how many of you sell here sectoral thematic funds? Oh, this data is wrong or what? 3-4 hands are going up. 1,32,000 crores out of 3,27,000 crores added is sectoral thematic funds. So only these 4 people did all the business, huh? Multi-cap is 36,000, large and mid-cap is 32,000, small cap 33, of course that Padu did. And 1,32,000 crores, those 4-5 people did sectoral funds. So that is something to think about. Category-wise breakup, this is I think important. So you saw the debt funds going down. So if you see the debt-oriented schemes, the direct is 65%, the distributors, I think we all are lagging behind in the debt funds. So debt fund somebody is buying. It is not that, people are investing, but we are only focusing on equity and sectoral thematic, those 4-5 people sectoral thematic funds. And debt funds is completely ignored. ETF, FOF, we don't want to sell also. But yeah, the debt, at least the long-term debts, I think, and the liquid money, we have to add. The current NFOs on. How many are selling NFOs? These are the 4-5 people only. Okay. So, thanks for the time.